about a feature that can genuinely, and I mean genuinely, change your workday: the search function in SAP Ariba. Our goal here is pretty simple. I want to help you find exactly what you need right when you need it. No more wasted time, just smarter, faster work. Does this sound familiar? You know that document is in there, somewhere, and you spend minutes, maybe even hours, just scrolling and clicking, hunting for that one specific project or contract in this giant sea of data. It's a huge waste of time, and honestly, it's super frustrating. But you know what? It really doesn't have to be this way. So to make this all real, let's follow a character. Let's call her Monique. She's starting a brand new sourcing project, and she has this brilliant idea. Why start from scratch, right? She knows she can find a similar project from the past, copy it, and just tweak the details. It's a massive shortcut. But of course, that's only if she can actually find that original project. So yeah, Monique's challenge is basically like trying to find a needle in a digital haystack. But here's the good news. SAP Ariba has a seriously powerful magnet built right in. So let's dive in and see exactly how this thing works. First off, the scope of what you can search for is just huge. You're not just looking for one type of document. We're talking sourcing projects, events, contracts, supplier info, even analytical reports and project templates. It's this one comprehensive tool that scans the entire Ariba landscape for you.
Okay, now here is a really crucial rule you have to remember. It's a big one. For a document to actually show up in your search, you have to be a member of that project's team. So if you're searching and you just can't find something you know exists, 9 times out of 10, it's probably an access rights issue.
So where does all this magic happen? Well, let's take a look at the search page itself. Think of it as your command center for finding literally anything and everything inside the system. Getting there is super easy. You've got 2 main paths. You can either navigate directly from the main dashboard bar, or you can just click that handy little search icon you'll see tucked away in the corner of most pages. It's always right there when you need it. Now, when you first land on the search page, don't be surprised if it isn't blank. By default, it actually shows you a list of your most recently viewed items, which is pretty helpful. The system only performs a full search after you actually type something in and hit that search button. And now we get to the really good stuff. Look, typing a keyword is a start, but the real power, that's in the filters. This is how you narrow down your results with incredible precision. So let's see how it works. It's honestly as simple as 1, 2, 3. First, you click the little plus button to add a filter. Second, you select the specific field you want to search by, say project owner or creation date. The system is even smart enough to put your most used filters right at the top for you. And third, you just click search and watch the magic happen. Now at the bottom of that filter list, you're going to see an option called Others. So what's that about? Well, think of it as your gateway to even more filtering power. Clicking it opens up a box with an alphabetical list of every single available field, and it lets you select multiple, less common filters all at once. It's a total power user move. And hey, don't worry about getting tangled up in too many filters. If your search gets a little too specific or you just want to start over, there's a simple reset button. One click and it clears everything out, giving you a totally clean slate to start a new search. Easy. Okay, so mastering filters is a huge step up, but what if you find yourself running the same complex search over and over and over again? Well, there's an even better way. Let's talk about the ultimate time saver, the saved search.
This quote really captures the why perfectly. If you're running the same search multiple times, there's a better way. Saved searches let you define a query once and then run it again and again with a single click right from your dashboard. It's a game changer.
So, how do you get there? The path is so simple. First, you build that perfect search using all those filters we just learned about. Second, you save it, give it a name you'll remember. And third, you can now run that exact search anytime you want, directly from your dashboard. It's that easy. I mean, this is really the difference between working hard and working smart, isn't it? The old way means manually re-entering filters every single time, wasting clicks and minutes. The new way is one-click access, giving you instant, consistent results every time. It's the very definition of searching smart. So let's bring it all together. The entire goal here is to shift your approach from that brute force, frustrating searching to something more elegant, efficient, and intelligent. It's all about information retrieval on your terms. And what about Monique? Well, by applying these exact techniques, using a few key filters to pinpoint the right time frame and project type, she found that similar project in seconds. No more hunting. She copied it, got a huge head start, and moved on to more important work. That right there is the real-world impact.
So now, the power is in your hands. You've got the tools, you've got the strategy to find anything you need. The only question left is, what are you gonna find first?
Hey everyone, and welcome.